goody beauties? It's your girl Kiara, Ianna. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my quick and easy way to remove all of the dirt and makeup from my makeup brushes and sponges. So if you guys would like to see this quick and easy tutorial, then stay tuned. To start off, you'll need a small bowl, some water, some alcohol, and some dish detergent. I just take a little bit of all of these and fill my bowl up about halfway. You can get all of these supplies from your local dollar store for just $1. So I'm going to first show you my technique on a Real Techniques beauty blender that was mildly used. I like to first dip my beauty blender in the concoction, spin it around for a second, and I just go in and massage my beauty blender like so. I massage this for about 30 seconds to a minute until all of the dirt is completely off of my blender. And then I like to run my beauty blender underneath some water and just rinse it and continue to massage until the running water stops running brown and is running clear. Like you guys can see, this one really didn't have that much brown running water because it was mildly used. And voila, it is all done, you guys. This looks brand new like when I first got it. There's no dirt, there's no makeup left in this beauty blender. The next one will be way more dirty and you guys will see how the technique works exactly the same.
Don't do, but for you I kinda want to, cause you're down for me, and I'm down to, yeah I'm down to, switching conversations for you, there's some shit that I usually don't do, so for you I kinda want to, cause you're down for me, you're down to, switching conversations for you.
And then I just go ahead and bring it through the faucet and wring it out until that water turns completely clear. As you guys can see, that water is already turning clear, and I just do that until it is clean to my liking. Sometimes I feel like if the dirt and makeup is still coming out pretty heavily, I'll wring it through the concoction one more time.
Tell me what you see in me.
Now, to wash my makeup brushes, I actually like to let them soak in the concoction just to make sure that they are thoroughly getting all of that alcohol and dish detergent throughout them. And then once they're soaked for about 30 seconds, I just go right in and start massaging the bristles. I'm massaging them from the root, so where it connects to the actual brush, and massaging the brush tips outward. I'm also being very careful with this. I don't want to pull out any of the bristles. You really just want to take your time and massage it, not really pull it, just massaging it very gently, and it will come out. As you guys can see, this is looking beautiful. Before it was brown, you guys. Now you guys can see it is pink and red, okay? So I'm just going to demonstrate it on one more brush. This brush I feel like is probably one of the more difficult brushes just because it's kind of shaped oddly. The bristles are very short and compact, and I'm just showing you guys how using the same method continues to work with all shapes and sizes of your brushes. I'm just taking that and massaging it just like I did before, running it through the water until it is completely clear and that brush is back to the color I really like it to be, and that's it. This entire process took me about 30 minutes. I had 30 minutes of footage when I started this video, and I washed 38 brushes and 5 beauty blenders. So easy and less than a minute for each brush. If you guys like this tutorial, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Toodles!